Hello students, today we are going to study exercise 8.2, third question. If tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, 0 less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree, a greater than b, find a and b. We have given that tan a plus b equal to root 3. Tan a plus b equal to root 3. But we know that tan 60 degree equal to root 3, isn't it? Tan 60 equal to, but tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Therefore, from these two equations, we get a plus b, that is angle should be equal, that is a plus b equal to 60 degree. Okay, number this equation as 1. Now we have given that tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. But we know that tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, from this one we get, if these two we get a minus b equal to 30 degree. Number this equation as 2. Now adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2, that is a plus b equal to 60 degree and a minus b equal to 30 degree. Adding these two equations, that is adding equations 1 and 2, we get a plus a, that is 2a equal to b get cancels, isn't it? 2a equal to 90 degree, that implies a equal to 90 by 2, that is equal to 45 degree. Okay, a equal to 45 degree. Now substituting in first equation, substituting the value of a in first equation, we get 1 implies a plus b, that is 45 plus b equal to 60 degree. Therefore, b equal to 60 minus 60 degree minus 45 degree, that is equal to 15 degree. Okay, therefore a equal to 45 and b equal to 15 degree. Fourth one, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one, sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. Now take any two values, that is we can take the values a equal to 30 degree and b equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then substituting in LHS, LHS will become sin a plus b, that is sin 30 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to sin 90, but we know that sin 90 degree equal to 1. Now substituting in RHS, RHS equal to sin a plus sin b, that is sin 30 degree plus sin b, b is 60 degree, sin 60 degree. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2 and sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. That is equal to, by taking LCM we get 1 plus root 3 divided by 2, isn't it? 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. But this is not equal to 1. That is, it is not equal to sin a plus b, 30 plus 60. Therefore, we can say that sin a plus b is not equal to sin a plus sin b. Okay, sin a plus sin b. Therefore, the answer is false. The given question is false. Okay, required answer false. Second question, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Answer, true. Isn't it? Answer, it is true, because sin 0 degree, we know that sin 0 equal to 0, sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, it is greater than 0, and sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, again it is greater than 1 by 2, sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, it is greater than 1 by root 2, and sin 90 degree equal to 1. Therefore, the values of sin increases as the angle increases. Okay. So, the answer is true. Here the answer true. Third one, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Answer is false, isn't it? Because cos 0 equal to 1, cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2, it is less than 1, and cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, again it is less than root 3 by 2, and cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree equal to 0. Therefore, the value of cos is decreases as theta increases. Okay, so the given question is false. Fourth question, sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Answer, false. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta means it is false. Because if we are taking theta equal to 0 degree, then we get sin 0 degree equal to 0, sin 0 equal to 0, and cos 0 degree equal to 1. Therefore, we get sin 0 is not equal to cos 0, isn't it? Sin 0 is not equal to cos 0. Therefore, the given answer is false. It is not for all values sin theta equal to cos theta. Fifth one, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. We know that cot A equal to cos A divided by sin A, isn't it? Cot A equal to cos A divided by sin A. Substituting 0, A equal to 0, by substituting A equal to 0 degree, we get cot 0 degree equal to cos 0 degree divided by sin 0 degree. Now cos 0 degree it is equal to 1, but sin 0 equal to 0. 1 by 0, the division by 0 is not defined, therefore 1 by 0 is not defined, hence the answer is not defined. So the answer, it is true, isn't it? The question is cot A is not defined, therefore the required answer, it is true. Thank you.